Hey guys, just wanted to do a video. This is going to be kind of before video. So I've talked a little bit about how I'm going to redo this rack here and move some stuff around. And so currently I have a 55 gallon and a 30 gallon here. I used to have a 20 and a 20 there, but I'm going to move this 30 gallon below the 36, 37 tall, and then I'm going to get rid of the 55 and put two 75s here. So that's going to extend this out 6 more inches, and these tanks are a little higher, so I'll drop it a little bit. I'm a little concerned, so I'm going to put an extra support in the middle. I think you'd be fine without it, but figured better be safe than sorry, so I'll have double 75s and then 37 and a 30 gallon. So nothing's going to change there. The length of the 75s is the same. It's just kind of bringing it out, and these will be a little bit taller. But I'm excited. It'll give me a little more room for fish. I think it'll help a little bit as I kind of grow stuff out and maybe get another breeding group going, but we'll see. So it's my project. I'll take a little video here after and show you what it looks like. All right, so I got the 275s installed and they're up and running. This one I only filled halfway because I'm still a little nervous about the skid. I just want to make sure everything's good. But got moved all the fish back in here, so I got all the Tanganikans in here, and then I put the discus back down here with the plecos, and everything seems to be going well. Nothing up here yet. I don't know what I'm going to put, but I'll figure it out, and maybe just be a big grow out, hopefully when discus fry get going. But that's kind of what I got, so thanks for watching.